Wake up, Daddy.
Oh, hey, what are you doing, huh? Don't wake your dad up, huh?
Do animals have really fun?
Absolutely, Ashley. Sometimes animals have more fun than people.
Silly animal fun.
Honey, I think we should make a project of trying to find as many animals as we can and see them have fun. Okay?
Early the next morning, Burr and Ashley start off to find some baby animal fun. Let's join them. We'll follow these two adventurers as they see animals play. They will not only see animals play, but Burr will show Ashley some interesting facts about animals, how the mother cares for and looks after their babies, where the animals are found, and why the animals do the things they do. We'll go along and try not to disturb the animals or get in the way. We'll see as Burr shows Ashley some very unusual animals and birds. There are so many places to look. There are animals in the home, there are farm animals, there are wild animals of the forest and the prairie, and oh yes, the pond. Burr mustn't forget the pond. For now, though, Burr will look right around the neighborhood and we'll find some animal fun. That didn't take long. There are kittens here. They always have fun. Baby animals seem to always have the most fun of all. Aren't kittens fun? Springtime is the best season to look for baby animals. Spring is when most animals have their young, and as they grow, one of the first things they learn is play. In their play, baby animals learn many skills necessary to be successful adults. They learn how to run and jump. They become strong and quick. By being strong and quick, they will avoid danger. While they're so close, Burr and Ashley will go to another house nearby and see if Mrs. Pearson really does have the puppies they'd heard about. Puppies seem to always be looking for fun or trouble. One way or another, they're sure to find it. Our two characters will just sit back in the grass and see what happens with the pups and their playmates.
Yes, indeedy. Yes.
Cut off your light and stuff. Oh, yeah.
Ashley thought the pups were marvelous. What fun. And Mother Dog takes very good care of her babies, making sure they are safe and providing them with food. Burr tells Ashley about how protective mother animals are when their babies are young. During the first few weeks of life, the baby animal's eyes are closed. They can't see and they're very helpless. If they are put in a strange place, away from their box or nest, they are not happy. In fact, some babies don't like it at all. Burr says that if mother dogs and cats are nervous about their babies, they will return them to a safe place. This is serious business, but it's so much fun to watch. Ashley can't wait to get home and tell her mom about the fun she's seen with the kittens and puppies. Burr is thinking about his plan for the next day. The decision was made. We find our animal watchers at the farm of Burr's old friend, Mr. McDonald. He has lots of animals and a barn.
Hey, what you in the mood?
Hey, what are you guys doing, huh?
He has pens and fences where animals live and are cared for. It will be fun to see what we find here. They are here at the right time. The farm animals have just had their babies. Every place we look, there are newcomers. They even get to see some animals taking their first steps. Other babies on the farm are older. They've learned to walk and are now learning other skills. Most of all, they're learning to have fun. Mealtime for little ones can be the most fun of all. Animals let you know when they're being fed with their tails.
Easy, jump.
When their tails wag, the milk is flowing and the fun begins.
Now look over here, hon.
We all know that eating can be fun, but for young animals, simply being a baby is fun. Seeing new things, finding a new friend. Be careful. Ashley looks around and sees all sorts of farm animal fun.
Keep coming. What do you see in there?
For Burr and Ashley, this is a great project. Seeing the play, learning about animals, and of course for Ashley, just being with Dad. Burr and Ashley talk it over, and the next outing will be to the countryside to try to find some wild animals having fun.
Do they warm up in their fireplace?
No, they have
This will be a longer trip. Going to the country may take quite a while. Burr has assured his little girl that the wait will be worth it. Ashley isn't concerned about it. She knows how to relax and make time pass quickly. Burr has been here before. He is sure that if the two of them just watch and wait, they will see some prairie animal fun. He knows that at this time of year, the big prairie birds, the grouse, come to this area for their annual courtship displays. Our two adventurers are on the dancing ground of the prairie grouse. Ashley has never seen anything like this. For the grouse, it begins with every sunrise of spring. The male grouse display and dance to attract the female for a mate. These are sharp-tailed grouse. The sharptails have probably used this dancing ground, or lick as they are called, for hundreds of years. The sounds increase as other prairie birds take their parts. These are sage grouse, the large cousin of the sharptail. They're as big as a chicken. The sage grouse is a strutter, while the sharptails are dancers. Burr knows that there are many prairie animals active at this time. Right over the hill, he has seen a burrow, but doesn't know what animal might be living there. There doesn't appear to be anyone home. Wait, what's this? Could it be a fox? Let's stay right here and see what happens. There may be babies in the burrow. Sure enough, they just keep coming. These are red fox pups. This could mean fun. What now? An antelope.
How many?
And a baby fawn.
How many?
We're too late here for play. The fawn is eaten and will stay hidden in the grass until Mother comes back. The best times of day to find wild animals is either early in the morning or in the evening. It's midday, so our two travelers, like the animals, take time out for lunch and then a short nap.
Come on, Ashley. Let's sit in this place. Have our lunch. Put your pop up there. Nice girl. Put your blanket down here. Come on, sit down here. Let's see what your mother made for you. Huh? We got a sandwich? Wow! Cucumbers? Say, this is going to be a nice picnic, isn't it? Huh? Then we'll go out and see some animals, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you think we should go? Huh?
Burr wants to visit one of his favorite places on the way home. He has seen so much animal activity at his favorite fishing pond that he is sure Ashley can find some animal fun there.
What's going on here, huh?
We need to go see the baby birds at the pond.
We do. You want to get going? All right, we'll get going. You got everything picked up? All right, let's go then, okay? Come on. Oh, let's get this blanket. Get
The
on
nap
that
has
end.
felt good, and these two explorers will enjoy the cool spring breezes at the pond. Ashley can hardly wait.
You grab the cooler. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, smell up. What you doing? Huh?
Big fish. That big cowboy. Oh, they're not that big, are they? There you go.
Animals appear as they please. It's a great help to be patient, to sit quietly and wait. Something will happen.
Here, over here, honey. See them? See them over there? Oh, there they go. They're swimming.
These are Canada geese. They have recently hatched their eggs, and nearly every mother goose has baby goslings. The geese are so interesting, little does Ashley know that she's about to see the Goose Patrol. Poor Burr, it's been a long day. He's ready to go home. Ashley isn't. Dad, there are more birds over here.
Slow up, Ashley. Slow up. We're not in that much of a hurry.
This is a mother red-winged blackbird. Her eggs have just hatched, and she has several fast-growing babies to feed. Babies are a full-time job. Fly out, catch a bug, fly back, feed a baby, fly out, catch a grasshopper, fly back, feed a baby, and on all day. It's been a long day, a great time, and who would have thought that wild animals would be so much fun? Ashley is already asking Dad when they can go see the animals that live in the mountains. Early morning in the mountains, a great time to see animals. Ashley was up long before the sun today. Father and daughter have left the car and are in the trees hoping to find some action. What is that? A male blue grouse. He's a cousin of the sharp-tailed grouse that we've seen on the prairie, and he's doing his courtship dance too. But it's different from the prairie grouse. He uses his low-pitched voice to attract the female grouse. The log he calls from is the center of his strutting ground. He will call and call and call. When he does show off for the hen grouse, he transforms from a drab gray bird into a fancy Dan with tail fanned, red air sacs inflated, and his white and yellow feathers displayed. As the ritual goes on, the female will either choose him or go through the forest until she finds a mate she likes. Bird doesn't want to disturb the grouse, so they move out of the timber to see what other fun they can find. Uh-oh, there's something in the willows, and it's big. What is it? A very big bull moose. Be very careful if you encounter a moose in the forest. Most of the time they will move off, but moose can be very dangerous. Never get too close, and above all, never startle a moose. Just a few days after birth, the calf moose will be nibbling willow shoots, following their mother and learning to be a moose. This is exciting, but Burr thinks it's best to leave. We don't want to get in trouble. We'll move on up into the higher part of the mountains. Maybe we can find some elk. The high mountain meadows are a favorite place of the cow elk and their calves. On a cool, clear spring morning, the calves need to play. They just can't stand it. They have to play. Even some of the adult elk get into the act. Burr knows of one more animal for the two of them to try to find. They have to go to the very top of the mountains to find this elusive animal. The sound of two bighorn sheep. They battle for leadership of the herd. This high forest resident seems to always be engaged in this combat. Ashley isn't sure she likes this. It's sort of scary. But Burr explains that this is how the bighorn sheep stay strong and develop the best possible sheep herd. And Burr knows that the lambs are born with the same instinct as the adults, to butt heads. Like all babies, they also have the instinct to play. The lambs have had a great game of King of the Hill. Ashley's had a wonderful time. It's been a long day. Down off the mountain on Dad's back is a treat. It's so comfortable and cool. She just can't make it. She's dreaming about all the animal fun she's seen.
Do animals have really, really fun?
Absolutely, Ashley. Sometimes animals have more fun than people.